Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys. How are you, my YT family? Such as you know, these are coldest days of winter. Everyone wants to eat a food which could warmer their bodies. Let's see what I'm gonna make today. Today in K.Z Kitchen, I'm gonna make saucy shrimpy bread which is gonna mind-blowing and tasty and healthiest. Let's see. For this I have taken a bread. It's my homemade bread. You can see. Now I'm gonna cut it in thick pieces so we could fill these with our stuffing or sauces. Like this. You can check the inside of my bread. MashaAllah. I made this bread with my eggless dough, which I have shared with you, my eggless bread dough. Okay, let's cut. I will make their equal parts. Now check the thickness. If you don't have this bread, so you can purchase or buy buns, small buns or burger buns from any bakery. Okay, let's hollow the bread. Follow the same process. We don't have to cut it from bottom. Okay, done. Now I will hollow all of my breads. Now keep it inside. Okay, let's come to our other ingredients. Here I have some shrimps with tails. I have slit and removed its vein. And also I have boneless fish. You can take or use any type of fish. Here I am using fillets, very thin fillets these are. Now I'm gonna season these both of shrimps and fish with little bit pink salt and also little bit black pepper. And I will just give these only 7 to 8 minutes and then we will grill these on griller. Okay, let's see our other sauces. Here I have spinach puree. I have shared its recipe also with you. Here I have pizza sauce and also I'm gonna make a mind-blowing white sauce. Here I have 3 tablespoon cream, fresh cream, some milk or 1 tablespoon milk or 2 tablespoon blue band margarine, half teaspoon black pepper. Let's mix these. Okay. Your butter should be for this sauce. I'm keep mixing and now it's completely mixed. Now I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice in it. If you want some more sorry this sauce, so you can use full juice of a lemon. Okay, our white creamy sauce is ready. Let's come to our sizzler. Okay, I have heated my sizzler and now I'm gonna grease it with cooking oil. And now I'm gonna grill my shrimps and fish, boneless fish, for our saucy shrimpy bread. Today in K.Z Kitchen, I'm making shrimpy bread or saucy shrimpy bread. Okay, I'm placing shrimps or fish. I will just cook these only 30 to 40 seconds because we don't overcook the seafood. Okay. Now these are ready. I have flipped these. Also, I am flipping these. Keep flipping and keep grilling. Okay. If you are making in huge quantity, so definitely you will take your seafood according to these. Here I am making 4 breads are saucy shrimpy bread. So according to these breads, I have taken this amount. Okay, now these are done. I have taken them out from the sizzler. You can see, mashallah. Let's come to stuff our breads. Here are breads, hollow breads. Like this, we have to fill all of these breads. Okay, first of all, I will apply some pizza sauce, all of its sides and bottom. Now I am getting place my cheddar cheese here. Now I am stuffing my seafood and some spinach puree, some green chilies, fresh green chilies. If you want spicy, so you can use more green chilies. Also, I have some capsicum chopped, some lemon juice, white sauce, and now our shrimp, grilled shrimp, and cheese slice or mozzarella cheese. Place some coriander. Now it's complete, and I will prepare all of my remaining breads. Inshallah ta'ala, and you will make this recipe. Inshallah ta'ala, you will enjoy. And it's very quick and simple recipe. Okay, keep following the steps. Today I'm gonna share the process or method. How do I bake my baking items? Okay, now these are gonna done. Okay, you can use this white sauce in different recipes. I am using fresh coriander. If you don't have coriander, so you can use parsley or spring onions, green part. Okay, now I am drizzling honey on the top of these saucy shrimpy breads. Okay, these are gonna be totally healthiest meal. Okay, now these are done. Let's come to our baking tray. It's my baking tray. Let's it with parchment paper. You can see the method. Measure this like this, getting its center, and then press it in the baking tray and then cut it. Now I am gonna grease it so it could fixed in it. Okay, let's place our saucy shrimpy breads. I use a big wok. I have told you before this. I use a big wok for baking, and I don't use any salt, any stones or any other thing. I have get the flame high and our oven or big wok is ready for baking. I have placed a stand in the bottom of this wok. Now I am getting place our baking tray and cover the lid. After 10 minutes or 15 minutes, these would be ready. Inshallah ta'ala. Let's come to our sizzler again. Here I have greased and I am placing my veggies, onion rings and eggplants. Okay, I will season both of these veggies with little bit pink salt and black peppers. Also, I am gonna season these veggies also, carrots and French beans. Okay, grease these. If you don't have veggies, so you can use different veggies for grilling or serving. Okay, now these are also done. Flip these and mashallah, our breads or our saucy shrimpy breads are totally ready and baked. Mashallah. Let's get them out from the oven. Here our platter is ready. Our sizzled veggie platter. Okay. See or analyze how much beautifully or perfectly these are baked. Or viewers, if you liked my recipe, so kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting and keep loving to my channel. There you go friends, mashallah, these are looking so much pretty and tasty according to our season. Okay viewers, see you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.